It's John Frost with Disney Blog. We're stuck on the boat dock here at the Polynesian. We had just gotten on the boat that goes from the Magic Kingdom to the Grand Floridian and Polynesian, and about halfway between the Grand Floridian and Polynesian, the skies opened up, and so here we are, all stuck under the little dock here. It's like keeping us mostly dry, but off in the distance there's a little blue sky, so there's some hope we won't be stuck here till midnight. Hi Steve, hi Doobie. Stay dry, that might be an impossibility.
Stay dry? Okay. That works.
And all right, it's stopping to rain quite as hard. That's good. Let's go take a look at the Poly over here. So there's the pool. People are still gathering up their stuff or hiding under umbrellas. Not quite the tropical climate that you want when you're at the bungalow, but there are the bungalows. Yeah, that's why we're standing under a structure instead of walking outside. I don't want to get hit by lightning. So, well, the rain is letting up here. We came over here because we wanted to go to the Tiki Terrace, try their vegan sushi roll. Indigo thinks it's dry enough now.
No, it's dry here. It's raining like 1 foot that way, but it's dry here.
That's true. He seems to have found a spot where it's not raining very much. But like behind him 3 feet, it's raining. Raining there. Not raining there. Sunshine. Rain. Sunshine. Rain. Welcome to Florida. Look, sunshine. This is like one of my favorite vistas in all of Walt Disney World. You've got the wedding chapel, the Grand Floridian villas, the Grand Floridian. Then off in the distance, you can just see the top of the spire of Cinderella Castle. There's Space Mountain, the Contemporary Resort, and a beautiful lake. Well, I think the rain has let up, so we're gonna go on a journey. You wanna come with? Here we go. Yep. We'll let that family go first. There goes the monorail. Please, bottles and cans, mahalo. And trash, please, mahalo. With the little Maui character get on there. For those of you missing Walt Disney World and the Polynesian. It's down to what I would call a little bit of liquid sunshine in the air. Just a light drizzle. Not too bad.
And some
People are back out in the pool, coming out from under their umbrellas, doing what people in the pool do. Anyways, welcome to Florida, where you have to be ready for rain.
All the time.
All the time. So, here's an interesting sign. Fishing in Bay Lake. We have largemouth bass, bluegill, catfish, sunfish. So you can actually go on a boat with a guide and go fishing here when you're in Florida. That's some people love that opportunity. And of course, the Seven Seas Marina. You can rent a Sea Ray or a Bayliner, or I know Doobie's favorite thing is to get out there on a pontoon boat, 21-foot sun tracker. Maybe go take some water skiing lessons. I don't know. It could happen. Those clouds look kind of nasty still, so don't think we're going to end up eating outside here. I think we'll continue on to Disney Springs, which is a shame because I was looking forward to trying the vegan sushi here at the Tiki Terrace, but oh well. It's really nice water play area. Not going to go in there, but you got a couple tikis, got a slide, got a lot of water play areas. Looks, I'm not sure that's worth the price of admission at the Polynesian, but it certainly doesn't hurt. Little beautiful tiki there outside Trader Sam's Tiki Terrace. Nobody's at Trader Sam's Tiki Terrace because of the rain. We could go inside the Trader Sam's Grog Grotto. It's early enough that minors are allowed in there. Here's one of those 21-foot sun trackers, pontoon boats. Got a little shade in there. Lots of places to sit down. You can go out fishing. You could just go out and have a good time out on the lake. Maybe bring some diet sodas and some Fritos. I don't know. What do you like to eat when you're out here? We're going to go into the building, so I might lose signal a little bit here. So we're a little early for Trader Sam's Grog Grotto. Doesn't open until 4 p.m.
Well, I don't mind taking my drink away. Wait a whole hour.
Not gonna wait an hour to show you around in there. Sorry. We'll keep on going. There's a couple fun things to see in the lobby here. So we'll just go over to the Polynesian Lobby, take a look around. Here we have the photo of the old submarine grotto, photo painting of the submarine grotto. Got a diving bell, got a giant clam. Captain Cook's, one of the more popular fast food eateries here. Keep in mind, you can get, in the morning, you can get your Tonga toast here, so very popular. Well, welcome. Thanks for following us from the Netherlands.
You did go there, and I remember it.
And then down here they have this really cool Tiki Tribute area. So we have like a comic book cover, a LP cover for you kids, and on the call, an LP is that metal sorry, that vinyl disc with little grooves on it. You put it on a thing called a record player, and it makes music. Yeah. A picture of the old lobby here at the Polynesian. Doesn't look like that anymore. And these the original round party boats. I forget what they're called, but I think that's really cool that they have that there. And then I forget her name as well, but here for the anniversary of the resort, she actually still works here. She was an original opening day hostess. So to have a photo of her as a tribute, I think is really cool. And come out here. We'll just walk through the store briefly, see if there's anything new in here. There is something new. There's two things new. There is a new Sam's Grog Grotto Tiki shirt. What does it look like on the back here? So we have all these great tikis and tiki drinks. And then I think that's the only new Disney shirt. Unless there's one on the other side. No, that's the new Disney Hawaiian shirt. But they always have a good selection of Hawaiian shirts here. So if you're out on vacation and you left your rain spooner at home. Sorry. This one says Tori Richard and Aloha, but if you look closely, it has the Maui icon on it. So is this an official Polynesian shirt? It might be. It doesn't have the Disney label, but I have a lot of rain spooners that don't have the Disney label in them that are Polynesian Aloha shirts. So that's really neat. I may have to come back and get me one of these as a Christmas present, early Christmas present. $80 for extra large. A late Father's Day, early birthday present, $80. Tell Mom.
No.
Yeah. I think the only problem, let me just double check, I don't think it has a pocket.
No pocket.
No, it does have a pocket. So it has a pocket and a button. So I love Hawaiian shirts, but I only want the ones with pockets because, like, if I want to put something in there, and I'm, don't want to be just temporary, like a fast pass or a discount card or something. I want to have a place to put it. So, show you a couple things here in the Polynesian lobby before we head out, or upstairs rather. Indigo is standing right over the hidden Mickey on the floor. So, right when you walk in, be sure to look down. Get your first hidden Mickey of your vacation. And then there is Maui Statue.
It's Maui, huh?
And it's got a really beautiful lei up there. Does not look to be real flowers, unfortunately, but maybe plumerias are out of season. When plumerias are in season, I know they do put actual leis up there, so that's cool. And then, keeping in the spirit of the fishing village, they have all these floats that fishermen might use on their boats, and of course their lights up there, so that's really cool. Oh, somebody lost a balloon. So,
Sorry.
I am going to sign off now. We're going to head over back to our car and then head over to Disney Springs. So, show you the last really cool thing that I love about coming to the Polynesian is that when you enter right through the door, if you look, keep walking straight ahead, you will see Cinderella Castle in the distance. And at night it's even more beautiful because it's all illuminated with special lights, and if there's fireworks going on, then you actually have a pretty decent view of the fireworks from right here. Oops, somebody walked through the door. So, all right, well, thank you for joining me on this quick walk through the Polynesian Resort here at Walt Disney World. This is John Frost and Indigo from thedisneyblog.com. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, where you're watching this now, or Twitter, where we might post this later, or Instagram, where you might see highlights from our trip earlier in the day, posted later, and of course YouTube, where this video will be posted later. So lots of fun to do at the Disney Blog, and of course you can join us on thedisneyblog.com as well. Thanks for coming along, including everyone from the Netherlands. Bye.